Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pay with PayPal on Amazon. I will walk you through in the process step by step, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to know exactly how to do it. Now let's jump into it. Firstly, open any web browser on your PC and there search for Amazon.com. Make sure to get logged into your account. Now from there, pick the product that you want to buy. After that, tap on Buy Now button. Then tap on Use this address button, and after that your payment method will appear on your screen. Now here you cannot find PayPal option. Now in order to pay with PayPal you have to enter a gift card. Now to do so, open a new tab on your browser and there search for Dundle.com. And now search Amazon gift card. Now choose the gift card that is enough to pay for your product. Now once you choose, tap on Buy Now button and there tap on Checkout button. And there it says that enter your email for delivery and code will instantly delivered by email. Now type in your email address and then again tap on Checkout button. Now select PayPal as your payment method and there again tap on Checkout button. And once you get your gift card code, type in that code here and then tap on Apply button. And that was the process to pay with PayPal on Amazon. I hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.